Good French fries, huh? Hell yeah, them good ass French fries. Okay, buddy, get all them fries you want. I'm gonna put them out there for you. I'm gonna lock the kitty in so he ain't gonna attack you. You're good. Get your belly full. Get your belly full, little bird. Get that belly full. Yeah, it's a good buddies. Yeah, that's a good buddy boy. That's a good buddy boy. Yeah, get your belly full. That's a good buddy boy. He a good buddy boys. Yeah, get your belly full. Yeah, those Longhorn French fries. I bet you like that chicken too. Oh, you ain't getting that. It's okay, buddy. You go ahead and eat. Well, I ain't gonna fuck with you. Mess with the bird. Yeah, alright, buddies. The kitties ain't gonna fuck with you. Yeah, alright, go ahead and eat. You're good, get your belly full. Get your belly full. Them's good French fries. Oh, look, you got a visitor. Alright, he wants some of your bounty. Yes, he does. Them's good buddies. Look at them guys. Go ahead and eat. You're okay. Well, I ain't gonna fuck with you. You're a cool looking dude. Good looking buddies. Yeah, you're fine. Go ahead, get your French fries. Get all them fries you want. Well, you wanna come talk to me, huh? You wanna come say hi? You wanna be my friend? Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on, buddy. You want some pattings? Oh, you want me to pet you? You're a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Yeah, that's a pretty buddy boy. Oh, hi, guy. Oh, you sure got a long, skinny neck. You know that? That's a good boy. You kind of look like a mini ostrich or something. Oh, you're kind of weird looking. That's a good buddy boy. Get your fries. Nobody gonna mess with you. Yeah, nobody's gonna mess with you. You probably only got my damn chicken wings during Super Bowl, ain't you? You probably are. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. Get your French fries. Oh, and enough fries? Yeah, I know, they're kind of greasy. Oh, what can you do? What can you do? Alright, well, have a good day, Mr. Bird.